If your online business competes with your personal time, you will soon burn out. And if that business competes with your family time, it will eventually fail or cost you your family. And we don't want either of this. So I'm going to show you what you need to do to build a business that makes you $10,000 per month, that does not cost you your own personal time or your family time, where you enjoy life and build a business you are very proud of. What's the problem with businesses online that make people not so much money, but eats their time and competes with their time with their family and their time with their loved ones? What's the problem with such businesses? Most of the time, they are what we call synchronous businesses. Businesses that always requires them to be working at the time they are making money. A good example of this is freelancing. You can make good money with freelancing. I've done freelancing myself. But the problem with freelancing is that if you're a freelancer, you are paid for your time. So for you to make money, you need to put in more time. That's the basic logic. And there are many other business models online that depend on trading time for money. That's the wrong way to go about it if you want to reclaim your time but scale your business. So what is the solution? Well, there are many ways to go about it, but I will just give you a very simple solution in this video. It is basically a two-step solution. Pick a high leverage traffic platform like YouTube and promote high ticket offers that have a long shelf life. In other words, pick a high leverage platform like YouTube. Create evergreen content that eventually promotes products and services that have a long shelf life. You don't want to promote products that are here today, gone in 3 months' time, because then it will make your content not work for you for years and years to come. But if it's a product that you know is not going anywhere in the next 10 years, maybe they might be improving it, upgrading it, that's not the problem. But you know it's not going anywhere because it's a solid solution. Then you can confidently spend hours, even days, creating top quality content that delivers value and putting it on a platform like YouTube, knowing that if you do your SEO correctly for YouTube and for Google, that piece of content will be generating traffic for you and promoting your offers for you on autopilot for years and years to come. And every time that somebody clicks through your link and makes a purchase, you get your commission. And if it is a high ticket niche where they pay commissions of $1,000, $2,000 and above, you make $1,000, say, per each sale you make. All you need in a month is just 10 such sales, and you have made $10,000. If it's a product that pays $2,000 per sale, all you need is 5 per month to hit $10,000. And all you have to do is just create such high value content on this high leverage platform, promoting high ticket offers that have a long shelf life. And you are easily going to create a digital asset that makes you $10,000 per month and more residually, without you having to sacrifice your family or sacrifice your own sanity or mental health to hit the target. So I should just end the video there. So I could just end the video here. I've given you the summary of the advice, what you need to do. But then for you to actually achieve this in real life, there are some things you need to take note of. Number one, you need to create a routine and stick to it. Yes, if you build on a high leverage platform like YouTube, it can get you traffic for years and years to come. But the first word there is that you have to build. And to build, you need to devote time. And at that stage when you are building, it's going to cost you time. It's going to cost you resources. So If you want to make the most of your time and resources, you need to plan out how you work. Currently, I'm on a 120-day challenge. I want to record and publish. I want to publish one video every day for 120 days. Today is day 85 or so. Now, for me to do this and achieve it, I have to create a routine. At this point, I'm writing my script, or at this time, I'm generating ideas. When I'm generating ideas, I'm focused on generating ideas. I'm not scattering myself. So within the period I'm generating ideas, I could generate as many as 90 awesome video ideas, and I pick the ones that stand out most for me. Then I go to the next stage where I am creating my outlines for a script. I take my time. After creating the outlines for a script, I choose some and I print them out. And I begin to dissect them, write notes, drop things on them. Then after that, when I'm satisfied with the scripts, I can now say, it's time to record. After recording, I'll record in batches. After recording a number of videos, the next phase is what? Editing. After editing, the next phase is what? Publishing. When I'm publishing, I'll be doing my thumbnails and things like that. You create a routine. If you create a routine, you can work better. In fact, I will leave a link up to a video I already created in the past that will tell you why a routine is critical to your online success. If you want to hit $10,000 per month without losing your sanity, you need a routine. So I will spend more time on this. The link will show up right about now. If you want to ensure you're on a very solid footing to build a business that even gives you freedom, that as it grows, instead of you having less time, you have more time. As the business grows stronger and grows bigger, you can even begin to claim back more time. Then you need to take this next step very seriously. You need to create systems. You need to systemize everything you do. Like you just saw me talk about my process for creating videos. If that's all I do, I go from here, I make sure I know all the steps. When you know all the steps, systemize everything. How do you systemize? Step one, break it down. What do I do in step one? Create standard operating procedures. So if somebody's coming in today and you want to explain step one for him and you need him to follow the process and do and achieve exactly what you do, what would you have to do? That is a standard operating procedure. He looks at it, you train people on that. You can train people on that. Create that for each of the steps. When you have done it for all the steps in the processes that you are involved in that produce your end result, then you have created a system. So look at the next step. You look at each of these steps and look at, can I automate any step fully? If you can, is there any part I can automate? If there is, you automate the part. The next part, are there parts I can delegate? Of course, you can delegate everything if you have created your SOPs correctly. Then you ask yourself, where can I start delegation? Where do I want to start first? You look for the tasks that you find least attractive or in which you are least competent, and you outsource them. Give it to people who know how to do it very well. As they are doing it, begin to watch and see if they can even help you upgrade your standard operating procedure for each particular step. As you give it to people who are experts in that area. As you make more money, you have more disposable cash, you can begin to delegate every aspect out and only retain those parts you actually enjoy doing. And as you grow to a point, you can even outsource everything. And if you are doing it on YouTube, that's when they say you have an automation channel. Everything is totally automated. If you're planning to go that route, make sure you make it a faceless YouTube channel. Don't put your face at the beginning. That way, you can totally step away from the video. Even if you started with your voice, there are tools that will clone your voice. And they will generate, if you write a script, they will generate a voiceover with your voice without you having to talk. So think about that and create a system. When you create a system, the next process is what? Automate what can be automated. and then delegate the rest. As you grow, delegate more. You get to a point where you can actually just become a supervisor watching over your business. And that's the goal. If you set this up correctly, it will be making you money from month to month and from year to year without requiring your active presence at every point in time. Of course, you will need to pay attention to your business because it's your business. You will need to take up your SOPs and review them from time to time. You will need to be monitoring what's happening in the space. What are the changes in the algorithm? What are the changes in the marketplace? But of course, you can make out time for that. And you enjoy doing it if you have so much free time to attend to your loved ones, to attend to the things that you find most important in your life. But there is the right way to go about these things. And there are a lot of mistakes that people make when they want to build a solid business online. If you don't know, you can work so hard and miss some critical elements and you not make the money you deserve. For somebody there are many people who are making $500 per month today, who, if they stay with somebody who understands, you just tell them, look at what you're missing, look at what you're missing, correct this, correct this, correct this. And once they correct those things, within a few months, they will hit $10,000 per month. That's why you need a mentorship program. For somebody who knows the way, who has been there, done that, can help you, advise you, no, you're making a mistake here, don't do this. Look at the right way to go. Look at how to do this. Look at what to do now. Look at what to do next. Guide you, you are not guessing. When he looks at your unique situation, he can give you a specific advice for yourself. And that's why we also have a mentorship program where I share personal insights with my mentees. I guide them from where they are. In our mentorship program, we'll help you, take you from where you are, no matter the level you are. We'll take you from there to a point where you make at least $10,000 per month. And we do that, we achieve that within 24 months. That's our promise. So if you're interested in being a part of our mentorship program, click the link in the pinned comment or description below. The title of that link is $10K in 24 mentorship program. But what if you don't have the time to go through a mentorship program, but you also like to make $10,000 per month or $5,000 per month or $2,000 per month or even $20,000 per month? You have some money and you would like my team to build out this kind of system for you, build out everything for you, and then you just make money from it. If you are interested in that, we have a done for you program. We call it DFY-Passive Income Digital Assets, PIDA. It is the second link in the pinned comment or description below. Click it. Whether you choose to join our mentorship program or are done for you, once you click the right link, it will take you to a page where we'll ask you to provide your phone number, your email address, and your name. When you fill it out, the next step is submit. After submitting, you will get an email within 5 minutes that will ask you to confirm that email address. Please confirm. Then after that, you will get another email within another 5 minutes with 2 links. One to an overview document that will tell you what the program is all about, the details you need to know. Then the second link will take you to an application form. Please fill out that application form. We want to know if we are the right fit for each other. Because as wonderful as our program is, both our done for you and our mentorship, it is not for everyone. So when you click it and fill out the application form, our system will automatically determine where you belong. You will get an email to that effect. Just check your email within 5 minutes after submitting the application form. You will get a link that will take you to a page where you can book a call. There will be different times there. Look at the one that is most convenient for you. Pick it. Once you book a call, check your email within the next 5 minutes. You will get an email with my phone number. Save that phone number. It's not for you to call me. It's so that when I call you at the time you booked, you will know it's not a random stranger calling you, but somebody whom you asked to call you. Then when I call you, we can talk. You ask me all the questions you have about the program you're interested in, and I'll answer all your questions. Then you can join our mentorship program or our Done For You package. We'll give you the link for payment and things like that. The ball is now squarely in your court. Within the next 2 years, you can be making $10,000 per month and more. In today's Nigeria, that's about 16 million naira per month. Think about what that would do for your family, for your loved ones, for the people who depend on you. Think about what it will mean for your life if you have 16 million naira disposable income each and every month. The ball is now squarely in your court. You can change your story permanently. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you and have a great life.